You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word from Italian, famous in music, when you pinch the strings on a violin. It comes from Italian. For more Italian music vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. We've got loads to learn here. Staccato. Alright, so let's break it down. Sta, then double C before an A in Italian is pronounced like a K, okay? So you can replace the double C with a K, but because you have two C's, not only one, it means you have to stress on that K sound, okay? Staccato, staccato is how the Italians would say it. So staccato, that's Italian pronunciation. In English, just say staccato, staccato, from Italian staccato. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.